Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to stack rows in Google Sheets. Let's begin. See this example: sheet 1 name cells Arabat Bappi and sheet 2 Rumi Shuman. Create a new sheet. Name example all data. Press enter. Okay. Then insert anywhere. Example is cell A1 and type to this formula. See this. Note to this formula. Query sheet on range A on B and sheet 2 range A to B. Press enter. You change your sheet positions. Example then change the number C on D. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Copy to this formula. Use this.